Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your beautiful Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is one of my go-to ones. This is the Spigen GlasTR EZ Fit 2-pack screen protector. I will have the links in the description if you want to pick this up from Amazon. I've been using the GlasTR screen protector for years now, and it's one of my go-tos. But in this video, I'm going to install it. We're going to go over it, see how good it works, but stay tuned to the channel. I will be reviewing some more screen protectors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But on this one, we'll make sure you can use your fingerprint scanner on there. We'll make sure that it covers that beautiful display up and how easy it is to install. But let's get into it. Bam. I mean, this is Spigen. You're going to see a lot of different Spigen packaging, cases, but the packaging is pretty much the same. But this is one of the easiest ones to install, and they make it easy because they give you a bunch of stuff. Let's see if I can get this out though. So you get one, and then you get two, and then they give you instructions. You get the tools in here. So let's open this bad boy up. Bam, this is a little squeegee there. Then you have your wipes. You also have some dust removers in here. So you pretty much have everything for 2 tries, but here's a little squeegee again. Put all that on the side. Put one of this on the side. So here it is. Pretty easy. Tells you which way is the top, which one is the bottom. So this is the top. But first thing you want to do is power off your phone. While that is powering off, you get your wipes here, and you want to wipe down your phone. I recommend if you can get this before you get your phone, that's great. That way you don't have any oils on your phone display. But if not, they give you this wipe. You clean it off. You can sing a wipe song. I don't know if you want to sing something like wipe on, wipe off. But what you're doing is making sure you get all the oils off of it that you might have on it. Again, if you want to do this during the daytime, at night, that way you can let it just sit and really cure to the phone. That might be better. Even not put a case on it right away. But then you want to do your dust. And also if you can do it in a room where it's not dusty, because you don't want to get dust on it. I use this extra size thing to remove all the dust. Usually it does it pretty well. I'm not going to sit here for hours and do it. Usually I do it when I'm doing it for myself. I usually put it on at nighttime. Maybe you can go in the restroom where there's less dust. Then you take this screen protector here. What you're going to do is remove the back. And then it says top up there, so you want to kind of just place the phone like that. And then basically all you do is slide. One time you can wait 30 seconds, or I sit here and do this all the time. Someone told me, oh, you don't have to do that. Yeah, I know that, but it's my video. I'm going to do it anyway. So you let it sit there. You can sit there for 30 seconds. And then you just remove this. And then you just take this off. You can throw that away. And it tells you re-register. You may have to re-register after installing the screen protector. It says you must. But let's see if that is a must. Look how beautiful that is. Bam, that is why I love the screen. It is so easy to install, and it comes out great. Now, let's see if you have to reinstall. Usually you don't have to, but let's see if the fingerprint scanner works. But it comes to the edge of your display pretty much. Look at it right there. You can see how it comes up to it. So it covers a lot of your display. So I'm gonna have to unlock it first and then turn it off. Oh, they might have made a liar out of me. Oh, let's see. That one worked. It seems to work. Now, if you have problems, what I would do is re-register it. Like this one is giving me a little problem. So what we can do is, let's go back into lock screen, fingerprints. So I'm gonna remove fingerprint 2. And then what we're gonna do is add the fingerprint, register it. And I just wanna see. Usually I don't have a problem with Samsung's screen protectors. So I'm gonna hit done. Let's try that finger again. And then you can tell, look, just re-register your fingers if you have to. That one works just as good. If you start having problems, just re-register. But this screen protector, this screen protector is great. I love how it fits with everything, works well with some cases, protects your beautiful display there. So again, the EZ GlasTR EZ Fit is one of my go-tos there. So if you want to pick up this screen protector, definitely look in the comments. I will have the links there. You can pick this up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.